Welcome to Livermore Ford Lincoln, the Bay Area's premier Ford dealer. And here's a look at another one of our quality pre-owned vehicles from our large selection, and comes equipped with Ford Pass Connect, navigation, Sirius XM satellite radio, keyless entry, third row seating, heated rear seats, sync communication system, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, auto high beam headlamp control, outside temperature display, and has less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Every vehicle is put through a rigorous inspection and reconditioning process by our highly trained technicians, using only certified OEM parts, guaranteeing you the highest quality vehicle possible. Livermore Ford Lincoln is your ideal destination for all of your automotive needs. Come visit us at 2266 Kittyhawk Road in Livermore. Your next vehicle is waiting.